Hello and welcome to HPL Discovery. Here I am again, falling down a waterfall, but you know what? This is the perfect opportunity to do some science. In our next Discovery Kits, we're talking about water filtration. And it seems like I've got a lot of water, so let's go ahead and do an experiment. In the pre-K kit, you should have a pipette, some markers, and some coffee filters. It's gonna let us do an experiment about filtration and absorption. Let's check it out. First thing is we're gonna take our filter and do a little bit of coloring with the markers. We wanna get those pigments onto the filter. You can draw whatever you want, do some shapes, some letters, write your name, whatever you like. We do a few little circles here. And this will be our little drawing before. So now you're going to take your pipette, our eyedropper, to do a little bit of the eyedropper art. And what we're going to learn in these discovery kits this time is about filtration. Filtration is the process of removing contaminants, like solids, which could be dirt or waste, or in this case, color molecules, from a liquid. What liquid do we have here? Lots of water. So, we're going to start drip dropping this liquid on to our coffee filter that we've done with art. And you can see that it is absorbing that liquid. Absorption is the process of a solid molecule, we've got the filter here, taking in a liquid between all its little creaks and cracks and space between the molecules. You see how that's absorbing and the way that that affects our art? Let's keep doing that until we reach the point of saturation. Saturation is when our solid surface can no longer take in any more water. All of its little holes and cracks and space have been filled. So we can see where it's dark is where the water has been absorbed. Where it's still light is where there's still space. We have not reached our saturation point yet. Take a look at what it's doing to the colors that you drew on there. Drip and drop a little more water as we do that, move that around. So once it reaches its point of saturation, the water will no longer be contained in our coffee filter, but will drip through to the bottom in our filtration process. This is one of the first steps of filtration. In the other kits, you'll build your own filter and learn a little bit more, but this should be fun and easy to do for the toddler and pre-K age ranges. So now if we lift this up, you can see that it's dripping. And if we look in the bowl, we have our water that has filtered out, and it has lost the color which is on the top of that. The color has filtered out of the medium. I hope you enjoyed that little science experiment, and I really hope you can join us and pick up one of your kits Monday. First come, first serve, and we'll have kits for toddler pre-K, K through 4th, and 5th through 8th grades. Until then, have a good time and keep up with the science. Bye! Bye!